Okay, hello fellas and welcome back once again, guys. You know, we always do the breaks as quick as we could, guys, so we're gonna go with it. It's about 20 to 10 p.m. here on the East Coast, guys, and this is gonna be the break for the 2012, the Prominence, the football. This is the big dogs, guys. This is that awesome rookie year. Hopefully we can pull some of them. Here are the teams, guys, just so you're aware the video is current and that you're at the correct auction. And as always, if you need help with anything whatsoever, guys, anything at all, any questions, just hit me up. I'll be more than happy to help any way that I could. And best of luck to everyone this evening. Okay, guys, that's enough gabbing from me. And we'll get what we came to do, guys. Best of luck to everybody. There we go. There it is. That's a fat pack, man. Empty box. Nice fat pack. Good luck, guys. We're gonna get right to it. And I believe it's 2 off the back. I think. Okay, guys, and all hits will ship free, guys. If you want the base in here, just send me $1.99 and message me after the break letting me know. Here we go, guys. Darren McFadden. McGahee. Willis McGahee. Of course, they're going to mix the cards up on me. Beast Mode. Marshawn Lynch. Beanie Wells. And we have a legend card, Rod Woodson for the Steelers. And now we're going to get to the good stuff, guys. Starting it off really nice. RPA, guys, check this out. Brandon Weeden. Patch auto, looks like two color with some stitching. Brandon Weeden, very nice. And it is, oh, check that out. Very, very nice. 11 of 15 RPA. Wow. 11 of 15. Awesome, man. Very, very nice for the Browns. Very nice. And up next, we have a redemption. I'll try to make it as suspenseful as possible, guys. Okay, we got football. We got 2012 Prominence football. We have rookie jersey prime signatures. So cool. Another RPA. And this one is going to be Ronnie Hillman. Ronnie Hillman. Very nice. Very nice, guys. Ronnie Hillman. And last, it's a die cut. Oh, check this out, guys. Russell Wilson. Wow. Russell Wilson. Rookie projection. Very nice. For the Seahawks. Die cut. Wow. Number 2, guys, to 299. Wow, we got some great hits in this. Very nice. Very nice, guys. Hit going to the Seahawks. Fantastic. Okay, guys, that does it for tonight. Like I said, if you have any questions or need help with anything, guys, just hit me up. Thank you for all purchases, and have a wonderful evening, guys. Keep an eye out for future breaks. Thank you, and have a wonderful night.